Hi, this is Tommy. Today I'm going to provide you with a review of Cloudland Canyon State Park Campground here in Rising Fawn, Georgia. We're going to be looking at the campground itself, especially the western rim where my family and I camped, along with some of the hiking trails and waterfalls. I hope you enjoy the tour. All right, thank you for watching the video. Our trip has just come to a close, and so I will wrap up this video. The experience here was great. We had a really good time on the hiking trails. These overlooks were just beautiful. And the camping spot, we were at spot number 3 on the West Rim campground, and it was great. We're parents, we have 2 small children. They were able to go up to the playground and play while my wife and I were able to sit around the campfire area and still keep an eye on them. So it was very ideal. I would recommend that spot. Also, I would recommend the West Rim because of the separation between the campsites. We felt that there was a really good sense of privacy. There was not this feeling that somebody else was right next to us or that we could see somebody else's camper, just right next door. We did notice when we passed the east rim that there was a lot of that. There wasn't near as much when it came to trees between campsites. It seemed like it was a lot more of an open campground there on the east rim. So I would make mention of that. You may want to, if there's a spot that's open on the west rim, you may want to book there. Again, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to this channel and like this video. All right, thank you again for watching.